when we want to use or create pipelines like this, we need them to run our script. We have the Argparse module in Python that lets us pass parameters to our script from the command line without editing the code. And we are going to see in this lesson how data engineers and machine learning operation teams run pipelines in production. My name is Mildred. For this part, we are going to import Argparse, and we want to create a function that will allow us to pass parameter to the script from the command line. So let's call this argument or pass args. Let's call this pass args, and we want to define the parser. So I'll say parser is equal to argparse.argument parser. So you want to read about Argparse module in Python. So we are going to put the description, let's say student performance analysis pipeline or something. So let's say description is equal this student analysis or student performance analysis pipeline, and we want to add to the parser any input from the command line. So let's say parser.add. So we want to add argument, and let me put this. We use the name flag like this. Let's say input. Let's say this is required, so we'll say required equal to true, and then let's put the help, and it's going to be, so if the user wants help, we'll ask the user you are passing the path to the raw CSV file. Alright, so they know that the first argument that we're passing is required, and which is the path to the file. Then we want to add another one, so we'll say parser.add argument. This also will be required where once the data is clean, where do you want it stored? So let me be path to the clean data. So we'll put, let's use the name flag like this, output, and required is true, and let's type something for the help, path for cleaned data, something like this. Now the other argument that we are going to add now, we maybe at the end we want to produce a report, right? And so we'll put the part for summary report, and then maybe we want another part also that, let's say we do hypothesis testing, and we want a part where the significance level for hypothesis testing will be stored. We're going to do that export function next before we'll see those arguments. So we're not going to flag this as required for the reports and for the significance level, right? So we'll just add this parser.add argument, and we'll use report, and this will be, let's put a default value, will be equal to report.csv. the help, and the help here will just say path for summary report. Okay, then we want to add, let's add the last one. Let's say parser.add argument, and one, let's put alpha, and we want this to be of type float because we're getting the significance level for hypothesis testing. So the default, if it's not specified, is going to be 0.05, and we use that for the help. We'll say significance level, something like this, of hypothesis tests. And at the end of this, we want to just return the parser.parseArg. Now let's do the if block that will run only if it's executed as a script. Like we'll say if name is equal to main, we want to say args is equal to parseArgs, so that's the name of the function, and then df is equal to, name of the function here is run pipeline, and we'll put arg.input, so args.input, and then we want to save it to CSV, so df.toCSV, and we'll say args.output, index is equal to false. Then let's print clean data save to, let's say this save to args.output, okay, and this will be the function. So when we use it on the command line, how we're going to run this on the command line is something like, let's say we save this file as analysis.py, so we'll call it to say Python 3 or Python analysis.py, right? And then you put the input flag and you pass the raw data, so let's call it raw data.csv, and then you will put the output file. So this is how you're going to do it. Output file will now be clean data.csv, and then let's say alpha if 0.01, and then you run. Anytime you want to view the documentation automatically, what you do is to put Python analysis.py, the double flag like this, help. So the name of this file is week10.py. So if I say Python week10.py, so is either Python or Python 3 help, and then it's not there, so sorry, I'll put Python 3 because we're in the directory already. I have an error in line 98 for the login, so we can see the login here is not, the spelling is not correct. So we'll run again, and it gives me all of the help that I put there: input, path to raw CSV file, output, path for clean data report, path for summary report, alpha, significance level for hypothesis testing. So you can see how we do that. So as we go into advanced courses, you're going to learn a lot about using scripts, especially in machine learning. Now, if you had coded the raw CSV in your script, every user who uses it will need a file that is called exactly raw CSV, like I was using here, right? So if you had coded it, it would just have to be called that name. And when I use the example I showed you and I put the name raw CSV as the name of the data, so it's better not to hard code. You will use the Argparse to eliminate all those constraints of they have to be in the same directory, it has to have the same name. So we want these scripts to be portable. We want to run it on any machine against any file. And so this is just basic professional software development practice. In the next lesson, we are going to look at how to write the export function. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.